9 years ago, I joined my first company as a software engineer. 3 years had passed by then, and I was in my second company, and still I was a software engineer. There was always a thirst for me to grow in my career, but somehow it's not happening. So I decided I would learn whatever is needed to excel in my job so that I become better programmer. Also, I will grow in my career. So I studied new languages. I studied data structures and algorithms. I learned debugging tools. I registered for courses where they teach how to write maintainable and easy to read code. All that done. By that time, people in my team recognized me as a good programmer, but I was not getting any hike or a promotion to be a lead, nothing like that. So that is when I felt lost and I felt stuck in the job and unable to grow further because I don't have any direction on where to go. As I was casually looking through YouTube, I saw a video by Rajinikant. If you don't know Rajinikant, he is one of the biggest names in Indian film industry. Also, the humblest, the most charismatic, and the most inspirational actor you would ever see. In that video, that interviewer was asking Rajinikanth a question. How did you become the biggest actor in your industry? Even though there are multiple other actors who are more talented, more capable, and better actors than you. He smiled and answered. In his 35 years of acting career, he has never ignored an opportunity that knocked on his door. That is the main thing. When other actors left out the opportunities that were coming to them, Rajinikanth grabbed them and made use of those. Even though this was a very simple thing, it shifted something in me. I decided whenever there is an opportunity that knocks at my door, and I know this is an opportunity that could be a game changer in my career, I will never ignore that and I will grab that opportunity and make the best use of it, even though it is scary. Even though I made the right decision, I didn't get any opportunities. Then how do I make use of opportunities? That's when I started working on my communication, not the way you might think. I didn't go to any programs, or I didn't go to a English fluency class. What I did was I started to open up in the meetings. I didn't keep calm. I started talking in meetings. Not just talk, I ask the right questions to the people so that they are able to bring out the ideas that are hidden in their minds. This one thing made people recognize me as an expert in the field, even though the ideas came from others. Only the questions was from me. Soon I joined my next company, and within 1 week there was a meeting with the account manager and delivery manager. That meeting sealed my position as the team lead for that team. I didn't do anything that great. I just asked few questions to clarify the work that the team does and some questions about what business we are involved in. That made the account manager and the delivery manager think that he is the right person to lead the team. So, this is a concept I heard somewhere from the internet. When you articulate other people's problems in a right way, they will think that you have the solutions for those problems, even though you don't have. Few years later, I joined another company in a team that had more experienced people than me and who are more knowledgeable than me. But this time it was even more simple. I just wrote a mail to the customer about the meeting that we had the previous day. It was just a minutes of meeting, which is very clear, very action oriented one. That made sure I got the team lead position in this team too. So, from this, you would have understood that communication, clear communication, is the main thing that will differentiate you from other top performers. When I say clear communication, it doesn't mean you don't need technical skills. You definitely need them. They are the prerequisite. If you are not good at what you are doing now, you can't move to the next position. If you have good communication but no knowledge, no technical knowledge, or very little technical knowledge, then your communication will always be shallow. You cannot talk deep enough. Even if you get lucky and you got promoted or you got gains, all those gains will be lost in just a matter of time. So my advice to you is develop your communication skill. Not just speaking fluently. You must learn to ask the right questions to the people that will uncover the ideas that are hidden in their minds, uncover the solutions that are hidden in their minds already, but they are unable to articulate it clearly. But you make sure the questions you ask will trigger them and they are able to articulate those answers and solutions and ideas very clearly. And the next thing is you should always remember Rajnikant's words. Whenever an opportunity comes in your way and you know this opportunity could change your career to a different level, grab that opportunity, whether it is an event, whether it is a presentation for your team, whether it is a customer interaction, whether it is a leader interaction. Make sure you grab it and make the best use of it and you grow in your career. And I will meet you the next time with little bit of progress in this direction. Thank you. Hey friend, are you still watching the video? Then I would like to give you a gift. I have created a free guide that breaks down the most common data structure and algorithm patterns. Instead of telling you how an algorithm works, this guide tells you when to use it. Do you find yourself wondering which data structure or algorithm to use in a particular situation? Then this guide is definitely for you. Grab the guide by clicking the link in the description. Until we meet the next time, this is Shivakumar aka Algo Shiva signing off. Bye.